Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can create cases in the Schneider Electric website. Okay, so when you have any doubt, okay, when you are using the Schneider Electric products, and probably the best way in order to solve the problems is to contact the technical support team. Sometimes we don't know how to, okay, or maybe we don't know that we have. So there are different ways to contact the team. So you can send an email, okay, to the technical team. You can use the chat, okay, or you can use the telephone number, okay. So the other way is to create by your own the case, okay. So it will assign to one of the specific teams in order to solve the problem. So in this video, I'm going to explain that how to use the Schneider Electric portal in order to create the case. So let's go to the one of the browsers. So I open Edge. So basically what we need to do is to go sc.com. Here you can probably go for the global one. Okay. Once you're in the global, what you need to do is to select your country. So here you just find your different countries that Schneider Electric is located. In my case, it's going to be United Kingdom. Here in the top right corner, you should be able to see login register. So if you are not registered, just create an account. Okay, I have done that as a third party, not a Schneider employee. And then you have all the access. In my case, I'm going to log in because I have an account. I created an account. I directly log in. Okay, so you will need an email address, okay, a few information about the company that you're working with. So here you have in the move, you have the chat option, okay, in case you want to chat with an agent, you have the possibility to do so, okay. The other way is to go here into support. In support, here you have the possibility to call us, okay, give you the telephone number, in this case only for UK. Another way to contact, and then create cases and view all the cases that you have. And also you have the possibility to search for something. I don't know the full IP address for the one product. You can try to find it first. If not, you just create a new case. When you create a new case, just select the category. So I don't know, I have a problem with one of the PLCs. I don't know how to use one of the function blocks in the library. Okay, so advice from our technical experts. Product name, let's say it's gonna be TM251 MESC. Okay, subjects. So this one's gonna be, yeah, this product. Okay. I believe you can also have the machine expert. Let's see if it searched that. Yeah, machine expert, this one. In case you want to just one PLC, but I'm going to use just the product TM2. Yeah, there we go. So it's going to be this one. Subset is going to be EcoStruxure Machine Expert. N251 library for NQTT. Okay, I know this one doesn't allow you because you need the N262, but just question. Enter details for requires. I know where the N262 can use the NQTT library, but N251 can. Okay. Delete case, it's just an internal team. Delete case, testing. Where? Okay, so you create this, you can add, for example, another thing, I don't know, the library, you can add it here, and then just submit. But before submitting this, in the right part, you should be able to find some FAQs that may be related or not to your question. So in case to create a case, you have the FAQ there. Okay. So I'm going to submit this. And it creates a case. Okay, that's the case number. So this way you have the guarantee that someone in Schneider Electric is going to answer your questions. Okay, so maybe you can try to send this to or contact one of your Schneider Electric guys that you know, but probably they are in holidays or with a different customer or doing a presentation, event, or training. So this way we can guarantee you that we have a solution for you. Okay. You have possibility to check the case. If it's open or if it's closed, you can request the closure in case you find the answer, you can close it. You can type a comment. Okay, so internally in the case from the Schneider view should be able to comment. This is test case comment. Please close the case. Okay, and then if you need to upload a program or something, you can upload it from here. Okay, which is good. Without the need of sending an email or something, you see everything here. Okay, you see details and everything, the progress. Okay, so this is a good way to check what you have. You have the possibility to open multiple cases. You can see the status. Okay, so this is how you can create the cases in our MySchneider, okay, the portal that Schneider has for the customers. So if you're not aware of this, just open the account, put all your contact details, the company contact details, and then try to check when you have a doubt in how to use our products. This is a good way to track the issues. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.